In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish a Canva website. First, open your website project. Then you should make sure that everything is already perfect. Once you've done that, you can go to the top menu, then click this Publish Website. It is between the Preview and the Share button. Here you can see the preview of your website and switch between desktop and mobile views. Next, set the site address. You can also add your own custom domain if you have one. Once you've done with the site address, you can go to Settings and enable these options such as Search Engine Visibility, Password Protection, Navigation Menu, Resize on Mobile, and Social Media Link Preview. After that, you can go to the Pages tab and add details to each section. You can also click Generate Details to add the details automatically. Finally, review all your configurations one last time. And once you've done that, click this purple Publish button. Canva will prepare your design and give you a link in just a few seconds. So that's how to publish a Canva website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.